Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a portfolio in Bloomberg. First, navigate to the Portfolio and Risk Analytics function, often found by typing port into the command line. From there, you'll select Create New Portfolio to start the process. You'll then define essential settings like the portfolio type, such as equity or fixed income, and specify the base currency for your analysis. This foundational step ensures your portfolio is set up correctly from the start. Once your portfolio structure is defined, it's time to add your holdings. You can input individual securities by typing their unique ticker symbols directly into the system. For each asset, you'll need to specify either the quantity of shares or the total market value. Remember to also include any cash positions to accurately reflect your portfolio's overall liquidity and asset allocation. This step builds the core of your investment view. With your assets loaded, you can now customize how you view and analyze your data. Adjust display settings to show the metrics most important to you, like sector allocation or geographic exposure. Bloomberg offers various powerful analytics tools to gain deep performance insights, helping you understand risk and return. You can also generate custom reports for a detailed examination of your portfolio's characteristics and performance over time. Finally, ensure you save your portfolio to access it easily for future updates and analysis. Bloomberg allows you to set up customized alerts, notifying you of significant market movements or changes in your holdings. It's crucial to regularly review your portfolio's performance against relevant benchmarks to assess its effectiveness. This ongoing monitoring helps you make informed decisions and maintain an optimized investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.